open. Cheers. Ding.
Ding. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel.
Welcome back to my channel. Give a thumbs up and like to our videos. Give a thumbs up to our videos.
Thumbs up.
Today I got L.O.L dolls and we gonna open our L.O.L dolls today.
Let's get started.
Yeah, get started on my L.O.L dolls.
Okay.
Get started to open it on my L.O.L dolls. In the pile.
Okay.
This is a speaker. Mommy, this is a speaker. Yeah, this is a speaker.
So phnx already opened one, the fairy one. Show the camera each one you got.
I got the Hello Kitty and the other Hello Kitty one, and I got Care Bear, and I got small L.O.L dolls. Today we gotta open them because we at Harlem. Huh?
No.
We in Maryland today.
We're in Maryland today.
Yeah, everybody, we got open our L.O.L dolls today. Let's get started.
Which one should we start with?
This one. I got Care Bear. I like Care Bear's my favorite movie. Care Bear is my favorite movie. And Care Bear is my favorite.
We only got one Care Bear. There was only one Care Bear left, and we got it.
Yes! I like Care Bears. One Care Bear left. One Care Bear left.
Here you go. Whoa.
Just popped out. Let's put all of the stuff. And look at those little boots. Look at those little tiny shoes.
I'll show the camera.
Blue and pink. Can we open it, please?
Okay, so we have, I think this is the L.O.L doll in here. You ready to open it?
Yeah.
You want to pop it out?
Yes, I want to pop it out. Look at her. Look at her.
Ooh.
We're going to call her Lacey.
Lacey?
Yeah, that's her name.
Lacey got some cankles.
Thank you, Mommy.
Ooh.
Pretty.
Here's the shirt.
We gotta open all of the L.O.L supplies we gotta do to our channel. What's in here too? Yeah. Oh, it's a bear.
It's the Care Bear.
Yeah, that's the Care Bear. Oh, that's okay.
I gotta take off her shoes if I'm gonna put on her skirt.
And then we have to put them back on.
Okay.
We broke her head. That's okay, Mommy. We look at her little shoes, her little pretty sneakers. A toy little Care Bear. This is her favorite. I love the L.O.L dolls. And
Where's the other shoe?
don't hit me. It's right here.
She has a Care Bear mask. I mean head.
I don't know where. I don't want
Let's just see what it looks like and then we'll take it off. Okay?
Yeah, I want to take it off though.
Oh, how cute. The Care Bear L.O.L doll.
I don't want to take it off.
Okay. Her name is Sherbay.
I saw her say babe. So from the other L.O.L dolls.
Let's see if we got a rare one. We got a rare one.
Her name is Sunny. What's her name?
Cheer Gal.
What's her name?
Lucky Cutie.
What's her name?
Grumpy Cutie.
Grumpy Cutie.
phnx got a rare one.
Let's open the little one.
Okay, let's open up the little
One
ones
for
next.
you and one for me. Look at those. They're so cute.
So cute.
Hey, cheers. Ding.
Ding.
Set this off.
You need help?
Yeah. I love you, Mommy.
I love you too. We're having fun together?
Yeah.
You're in the middle of the camera.
Okay, Mommy. I love
You can put it on that side, yeah. You can keep it on your side.
L.O.L doll.
This is the I Spy series.
I Spy series. I like the I Spy series. They are twin sisters.
Oh, we don't know.
Yeah. Let's see.
There's a blue one and a purple one. Which color do you want? The blue or the purple?
But I gotta open them. Twins. Look at this baby. Look at this.
Should I open mine or?
Yeah, I can open this This is mine. This one is mine. I can open it by myself. Hey, it popped out. And look at this final manga. Open it this one, Mommy.
Ooh.
Oh, there's my little sister.
Oh, a little one.
Yeah, look at this little cutie. So cute. Look at this little cutie baby. They're babies.
I Spy series baby sisters. See?
Baby sister, cute baby sister. And they got matches, diapers. Oh my gosh, look at those cute babies. Open the next one.
All right. So we have 2 Hello Kitties.
Yeah, 2 Hello Kitty. 2 Hello Kitty. Mommy, I need help. What's happening? It's cracked open. That totally popped open.
Totally.
Yeah, totally popped open.
I got a Melody. That's her backpack. Oh, and her headband.
Mine.
How cute.
Yeah, how cute is her? And look at this cute little outfit. Look at this pretty dress. It's so cute.
Oh, and her little drink. A
Yeah.
headband. She got a backpack and her dress.
Only cutie. And he looks like he's going to L.O.L school.
Yeah. Her dress on.
Yeah, let's put her dress on and put her legs down. Look at her drink. And look at her phone.
Should I put on her headband?
Yeah. All of the prizes are popping out.
All right, here we go.
Thank you, Mommy. Take her backpack off. I'm going to school, yay. Backpack, and we have school.
These are all the ones you can get. Phoenix got Romy Cutie
Yeah.
and Sweet Melody. She didn't get any of the rare ones.
Yeah.
I wish we would have got a Hello Kitty one, but
Can you open this, please, Mommy? Thank you. Let's take her baby sister.
oh, look at how cute the hat is.
We don't need it like that.
Ooh, she got a little purse. She got a little drink.
Yeah.
Her little purse. Okay, she got shoes. She ain't got no clothes?
He don't got no clothes.
She don't got clothes?
I don't know why he got no clothes.
Oh, here's some more stuff.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, Karomi has some bracelets.
Yeah.
Almost threw them away. Look at her cute little bracelets. Oh, Karomi's shoes.
Yeah, come on, shoes.
Melody don't have an outfit? She ain't got no clothes?
I don't know why he got no clothes.
Why she don't got no clothes?
I don't know why. I don't know why.
Why the little girl ain't got no clothes?
I don't know. It's gonna look like it's forever.
You were sitting on it.
Oh, but we're sitting on it.
Yeah. Cute.
Yeah, look at her dress too. Can you put this strap on, please, Mommy? Thank you.
This one is so cute.
Continue.
I don't know how she's gonna hold this purse, but
But Mommy, I don't want to put this on, Mommy. And he needs to sip a hot drink backpack.
and that's everybody.
Yeah, this is everybody the L.O.L.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching our channel. Give a thumbs up to our video. Goodbye.
Bye.